Marathon Special Products, a brand of Regal Beloit Corporation, has served the electrical component industry since 1955. Our facility in Bowling Green, Ohio, is home to all warehousing, engineering, and commercial operations. While more than 95% of our products are manufactured in the USA, Regal's global presence and investments in industry-leading automation assures we are globally competitive. Our ability to mold, stamp, and assemble all of our parts, as well as our accessibility, makes us unique in the industry. We have a dedicated and experienced team of manufacturing professionals to continually deliver high-quality products. Our engineering and quality assurance teams utilize industry-leading engineering tools and equipment to assure we are developing and producing products to the highest standards. All warehousing, inside sales, and customer service are based in our Bowling Green, Ohio facility. Combined, our commercial team has over 200 years of experience servicing and supporting our customers. This expertise has made Marathon Special Products a world-class brand year over year, as rated by our customers in our annual customer satisfaction surveys. Please explore our product line to see what power distribution solutions we can offer you. For more information, please visit marathonsp.com.